What is up, guys? Brandon here from DIY Vlogger, and in this video I'm going to be making a really cool magnetic tripod adapter slash mount thing. So you can see it here on my tripod there, and it has a magnet glued to a screw. And on my camera right now, you can't see it, but on my camera is also another magnet, and that allows me to connect them very easily together, like this. So obviously you couldn't see that, but that's why I'm making this video, to show you guys how to make it, how it works, and how it's done. So let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so here we have some magnets, a tripod screw, and some nuts here in this bag. So I'll open this. I'm just going to grab two. Actually, I just need one. And you can make however many you want. I'm just going to make one, like one adapter for each side. So like I have this tripod thing here. If I unscrew this, so if I unscrew this here, you can see that this is where the screw goes, and this is where it's threaded into to connect my iPhone. And so what we're going to do is we're going to connect this to here and glue a magnet onto it, and then we're going to connect this nut to this side like so, and glue a magnet to there. And so then what will happen is I'll be able to connect them like so. So hopefully this works. I might need to make a new one with stronger magnets. I would recommend getting some neodymium magnets because they're very strong. So that is basically how it's going to work. So let me unscrew these, and then we can grab the glue and glue these things together. Alright, so I've got the glue here. I'm using super glue, and now we shall start gluing them together. So first I'll start with the nut. Not too much, just a tiny bit, and then I'll put this right there. Try to get it in the center, but it's okay if it's not. Alright, that should be good. I'll leave that there for now. And then we will do this. There we go. Alright. Now we will wait for these to dry, and once they do, I will be right back. Alright guys, so it is done drying. I left it dry for about a day or so probably, just to be safe. It probably dried in, I don't know, a few hours. But anyways, this is the finished product. I'm going to be showing it to you guys right now. Alright guys, so this is the finished product in all of its glory. So here you can see that the magnets are attached right now, and you can unattach them. That is what it's going to look like. And the nice thing is this is a completely modular system, so it will work with any tripod. Alright guys, so I unscrewed the screws and nut from my tripod, and now I'm going to put it onto this tripod, which is for a regular camera that has a tripod screw already in it. And so basically all you're going to do is screw in the nut to here. As you can see, it is screwed on, and then just screw on this part to the tripod screw on your camera. And then put this in your tripod. And now all you have to do is magnetize them together. Now this will work a lot better with neodymium magnets, so I definitely recommend getting neodymium magnets. And again, all the supplies are going to be linked below, as well as my Instagram. Definitely go check that out because you'll get sneak peeks before the videos come out, so definitely follow my Instagram. And I'm also going to be linking the full text instructions to make this in the description below, so definitely go check that out as well. But anyways guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.